Hello everyone, this is Vali and welcome back to Mugdha Arts and Studios. In this session we are going to show you beautiful Ikat Pattu sarees with double work on it. Usually we'll be getting a single line of Ikat work with Pochampalli patterns, but here on this saree, the one which I'm wearing on, we have got two different pattern work design on this. Also we have got a beautiful design with Pochampalli work on complete saree. Here comes the mannequin pieces. So we have darker shade of bottle green with chili red on this saree. So when you clearly observe the saree, we have double print on this with yellow and red on complete saree. Here comes the second piece on mannequin with yellow and red on borders. So we have Ikat Pochampalli work on complete saree. So let's see the third piece on mannequin with brinjal violet and yellow on borders. So we are seeing two different colors on borders, yellow and black. So we even have a copper zari shine in between. So if you can see the complete saree body, we have got Ikat print on it, diamond shaped Ikat work on complete saree. So this is the final saree where we have got small checks boxes and the saree is in cream with red on borders. Also we have two different colors on border, royal blue, green, red, white, and on edges we have red with zari work on it. So here you can see the border clearly. It's a 13-inch border with multiple colors on the border. So we have many more colors with our different and unique patterns on it. Let's have a look at those collections. Here comes the first piece. So this saree is very similar to what I've shown on fourth piece on mannequin. We have got checks boxes on this with background white. So the saree actual color is with white and black checks boxes. When it comes to border, we have simple work on border with red and pink. So we can see two different colors on this border, red and pink. And on other side, we have zari shine on black, cream. Also to the edges we have pink and red borders with zigzag lines. This is how the saree is too pretty in life. So if you clearly observe the saree body, we even have golden zari checks in between. So in the background we have a small black checks boxes. So these are double Ikat sarees with double work. Also we are having a discount on these sarees with blouse. So sarees shown in this session are of Ikat double work sarees, and price for this saree, actual price is 16,500 rupees and after discount you are getting it for 14,300 rupees. So we are having a beautiful offer on the sarees. Let's have a look at the rest of the collection. Here comes the second piece with yellow and copper sulphate blue on borders. So complete saree is in plain yellow, mango yellow. And on borders we have a beautiful work with zari. When it comes to other side of the border, we have got a beautiful design with red and maroon. And on the other side of the border, it's the same design. So let's see the pallu for this. Here comes the pallu with Pochampalli work on it. So sarees shown in this session are double Ikat sarees with Pochampalli work on it. Also we have a beautiful design work on blouse. So we are seeing two different colors on this, copper sulphate blue and leaf green. Blue and green Kalneta mixed work. price for the sari, actual price is 16,500 and after discount you're getting it for 14,300 rupees only. So for orders we even have phone number contact here. If you have liked any sari, please to take a screenshot of that and share us on this WhatsApp number. Our team would love to assist you and guide you in placing orders. So let's see the rest of the collection. So here comes darker shade of cream with red on borders. This is how the sari looks like with double ikat work. Also we have checks, double ikat checks on complete sari. When it comes to filling, we have different designs in filling. So let me explain you clearly what all we have on this sari. So here we have peacocks, trees and also floral design with pochimpalli work. And on borders, it's a zari shine on two sides. On turning border, we have a little bit bigger length with pallu. And here is the blouse. So the complete blouse is in plain red. It's a darker shade of tomato red. Coming to the price details, so the actual price is 16,500 rupees and after discount you're getting the sari for 14,300 rupees only. So also we have contact here, so if you have any inquiries you can definitely reach out us on this WhatsApp number. Our team will help you. Let's see the next one. So we have darker shade of maroon and bottle green on borders. So this is kind of chili red and mixed maroon color. So on complete sari we have dots with white, green and yellow. So with green and yellow we are having a floral kind of work in ikat pattern. And on borders we have same floral pieces with zari shine on edges. Here comes the pallu. So on complete pallu I can see elephant design in ikat pattern. Here comes the blouse. So we have a darker shade of bottle green for the sari. So too pretty in light. The prices are also very reasonable. So the actual price for the sari is 16,500 rupees and after discount you are getting it for 14,300. So the sari is shown in this session. For each and every sari we are having a reasonable discount and also the saris are very budget friendly. Guys, hurry up in placing orders. Let's see the next one. So we have parrot green with hot pink on borders. So in this session the speciality is the ikat double work on the saris. So you can just see each and every single sari we have double ikat work. Also on this one we have got double work, double line checks with ikat pattern work. Filling we have elephants and peacocks on this. And on other side we have double border with pallu. And here comes the blouse. So it's a darker shade of Rani pink, where on borders we have hot pink. Price for the sari is 20,299 is the actual price and after discount you're getting it for 18,269 rupees only. Let's see the next piece. So we have black and brinjal violet on this sari. So in the background of the sari there is black and on borders we have brinjal violet. When it comes to complete sari we have got multiple colors. Let me read out the colors for you. We have mango yellow, magenta pink, leaf green on this. Also there is white in between. When it comes to border we have mango motifs on two sides of the border with peacocks in between. So the sari is too pretty in live and this is how it looks like. Here is the pallu in darker shade of magenta pink and violet. So we are seeing two mixed colors on this pallu, blouse and borders, violet and magenta pink. Coming to the price for this saree, it costs 21,500 is the actual price, and after discount you're getting it for 18,275 rupees only. Also we have our order number here. So if you have liked any saree, please to take a screenshot of it and share us on this WhatsApp number. Our team will help you in placing orders. Let's see the next piece. So we are having different color combinations, not the regular ones. Usually we get yellow and pink, or yellow with blue, or kind of. Here we have yellow with pink and wine on borders. So on borderline we have got a wine shade of two sides. So just look at the print and quality of the zari on the sari. So the print is too clear. In the background of yellow we have got pink and leaf green with patola work. So on borders we have a double work border with peacocks. Here is the pallu in pink, and this is the blouse. So we can see two different shades on this, pink and red. Coming to the price details. So the price for this is 21,500, that's actual worth, and after discount you're getting it for 18,275 rupees on it. So this is the price for the sari, 18,275. Too reasonable, because whenever I show you the sari, just look at the sari borders and the work on the sari. It's too pretty in live. I'm not sure if it's that pretty in video, but in live it's too beautiful. Saris are too good. Colors kuda chala baagunnayandi. So I forgot to wish you all a very happy Janmashtami. Let's see the rest of the collection. So we have navy blue with rama green. It's a red color combination, navy blue and rama green. So here we have got a double work again. So let me explain the colors on this first, then we'll go to the print on this. So we have white, red, yellow, green on this sari with the background of navy blue. And on complete sari we have designed with elephants and peacocks. Elephants are in white and red. When it comes to peacocks, we have red and yellow in peacock. On borders we have palanquin. So we have palanquins on border. Here is the complete sari. So these are two pretty colors, navy blue with rama green. And this is the first time I'm seeing this color combination. So guys, whenever you find a red color, don't miss it. Here comes the blouse. Let's see the price details for this. So the actual price is 21,500 rupees, and after discount you're getting this for 18,275 rupees only. 18,275 rupees. So this is the price for the sari. So the discount is still on. So tomorrow is the last date for discount. In all our Mugdha stores, the discount is running on, sale is on till August 31st, that is tomorrow. It's the last day. So guys, please do visit our stores because before the sale is off. Here comes white with black. And the sari looks very royal and decent. Also we have got a decent shine on borders with zari. So let me explain the work on this. So we have got square boxes, also diamond shaped ikat work on sari. Here is the pallu in black. So also we have got a contrast blouse for this. Here is the blouse. Price is 21,500 rupees only, and after discount you are getting it for 18,275. So if you clearly observe, we are showing a price note for each and every saree. This is purely based on customer request. So one of our customers asked for price note. So instead of just reading out the price, why don't you show a note? One of our customers asked in this way. So exclusively for those, we have come up in this session with price notes. So guys, hope you are loving our collection. Let's see the rest of the sarees. So if you have any requests, please do ping us in the live. We'll definitely look into your requests. Here comes another beautiful color combination with hot pink and violet. So we have got checks kind of work on this with floral patterns. So we have different colors placed on this hot pink, brinjal violet, yellow and white. So with yellow and white we have plus sign motifs, and on borders it's a beautiful shine with gold. Here is the pallu with blouse. So this is a hot pink colored blouse, and price is 21,500 is the actual worth of the sari, and after discount you are getting it for 18,275 rupees only. So here is the price note. Hope you are loving the sarees. Let's see the next one. So if at all you are looking for any specific colors, you can let us know. So you can just ping us. So far we have seen a complete saree with a single color and a different color on borders. Here comes a beautiful work. So the saree is in half white and red color on borders. So here in this session we are showing you two different patterns. One is the Pochampalli, Ikat Pochampalli sarees, and other is the Ikat double work sarees. So when it comes to this saree, it's a Ikat Pochampalli saree. So let me explain you. The saree has got three sections. In the very first section, we have cream color with silver and golden checks boxes designed beautifully, and in the second box we have red color with checks. Also we have filling with white and yellow inside the checks boxes. So on the third partition we have got a beautiful Pochampalli design with black, yellow and red. So we have got a floral kind of motifs kind of thing, and on the edge of the border there is a golden shine. So saree is too pretty in life with a differently designed pattern work. Here comes the pallu. So the blouse is too lovely and too pretty. So we have got a red colored blouse with the design all over. So also if you look at the blouse properly, we have zari checks on the blouse as well. So this saree is with Ikat Pochampalli. And coming to the price, actual price is 16,000 rupees worth, and after discount you are getting it for 14,299 rupees. So for orders you can definitely contact us on these numbers. If you have liked any saree shown so far in the background mannequin pieces or the collection from the very beginning of the video, please do take a screenshot of that and share us on this WhatsApp number. Our team will guide you in placing orders. Let's see the rest of the collection. So for online payment, we do have helpline numbers here. So meeku ఏ సారీ నచ్చినా వెంటనే స్క్రీన్షాట్ తీసుకోండి. I've been repeating this line so many times because for a single saree, so many customers will be asking. So the first come will be first served. So guys, hurry up in placing orders. Here are the online payment numbers. Google Pay. So there is no cash on delivery. And also online shown some sarees should be purchased online. I've seen many customers asking, coming to the store and asking for the online sarees. So guys, stock ikkada undadu. Online lo chupinche sarees, please do purchase them on online. Let's see the next one. So we have red and navy blue on this. If you see the saree clearly, we have yellow and white print as well on saree body, and on borders it's a decent shine with gold. Here is the pallu with patola print. So it's a double work ikat saree. As I told you before, we are showing two different patterns in this. So one is double ikat saree and other one is ikat with pochumpalli sarees. Price for this is 22,500 is the actual price, and after discount you're getting it for 20,250 rupees only. So it's such a huge discount, guys. The sarees are too beautiful in life. Let's see the next one. So here we have a completely different work on this. So this is a patola printed one, but leaf green and red on borders. So on complete saree we have red, green, yellow and white. Here comes the pallu with blouse. So this is the blouse. So the price for this saree is 12,299 is the actual price, and after discount you're getting it for 10,599 rupees only. So on this saree, it's a similar one which I've shown with a lighter shade of cream. So we have got three sections on this as well, with yellow in the top, and also on complete saree we have checks boxes. In the second partition we have mango booties in the black background, and in the third section we have got red color. When it comes to borders, we have golden shine on two sides of the border. Here comes the pallu. With blouse. So on complete blouse we have zari checks, and also we have got a white colored ikat print on this blouse as well. Coming to price details, it costs 15,299 is the actual price, and after discount you're getting this saree for 13,500 rupees only. So next saree is too lovely and too pretty, such a differently designed one this is. So I just can't take my eyes off. Here's the darker shade of brinjal violet with red on borders. So this is chili red. So far we have seen tomato red on borders, cherry red also. There are some sarees with cherry red. Here is the brinjal violet with chili red on borders. And on complete saree we have peacock print work, peacocks with ikat work. So there are two differently designed peacocks with yellow and pink. When it comes to border, we have swans on borders. So on saree body we have peacocks, and on borders we have swans, white colored swans with zari on borders, edge of the border, with pallu. So we have almost covered all the birds in the saree. On pallu there are parrots. With blouse. Price for this is 20,299 rupees is the actual price, and after discount it's 18,269 rupees only. So one side we have got a plain border. Let me explain the color combination first. We have a darker shade of green with cherry red on borders. So one side we have a plain border with triangular shaped booties on complete sari placed diagonally. So these are diagonally placed triangles. So inside filling we have green, yellow and red color. And on other side of the border we have a beautiful ikat work. Just take a look at it. Here is the complete sari. With pallu and a plain blouse, but a contrast one. So the actual price is 19,299 is the actual price, and after discount you are having it for 17,299. So the discount of 2,000 rupees for this sari. As the sale is going on, we'll be having, like, the sale goes very fast. Sarees kuda chala fast ga quick ga sale ayipothayandi. Here comes black with wine red on borders. So it's a mix of wine and pink on two sides of the border. When it comes to sari body, we have got zigzag lines print on complete sari body with mustard yellow in the background. And on other side it's a differently designed border. So the background is in wine with zari checks boxes, and the border length is of 13 inch on the turning border with pallu. And here comes the blouse. So we have a plain colored blouse in wine. Price is 14,500 rupees is the actual price, and after discount you're getting it for 12,800 only. So this is a plain sari with a limited work, but yet it's too pretty and gives you a decent look. So we have lighter shade of sky blue on the sari with Ganga Jamuna borders. So usually we have two different colors on Ganga Jamuna borders. One side is with hot pink, and also we have temple work with pink on one side of the border. In between we have a plain color of sky blue, and on other side we have diamond shaped work, ikat work. So in these diamonds we are having blue and pink and white in between. So also there is a small line separating the border with white and grey, and on the edges it's a beautiful work. Just have a look at the complete sari. So it looks like a chessboard with blouse. So it's a plain blouse with plain borders. Price for the sari is 13,500 is the actual price, and after discount it's 11,799 rupees only. So here's the mehendi green with pink on borders. So on complete sari we have a beautifully designed ikat patola work with zari shine on borders. Here is the pallu. With blouse. Price for the sari is 14,500 is the actual price, and after discount the price is 12,800 rupees only. So for orders here is the helpline number. If you have liked any sari shown so far, please to take a screenshot of that and share us on this WhatsApp number. Our team would love to help you in placing orders. In case if you have any inquiries or any color related queries, you can reach out us on this number. So our team will look into your queries. And for online payment, we have Google Pay contacts here. Please to take a screenshot of this note and keep it handy. Also, we do ship throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up in placing orders. So sale chala ante chala fast ga ayipotundandi. I have been repeating this from the beginning of the video. Hope you understand. Let's see the rest of the collection. So here we have another beautiful shade of green. So this is darker shade of green with pink on borders. So also on border lines, it's a mix of pink and green. Kalleta mixed work is seen on border lines of two sides of the border. Here comes the pallu with pink color on blouse. So we have hot pink on blouse. Price for the sari is 14,500 is the actual price, and after discount you'll get the sari for 12,800 rupees. So guys, in case of any inquiries or anything, you can definitely reach out us on our helpline numbers, which we have been showing for after each and every sari. So here are the helpline numbers again. So this is not black, it's a darker shade of navy blue. So it's two darker shade of navy blue. Hope it will definitely look as black in video, but it's very dark in light. Darker shade of navy blue. This is not black. When it comes to border, it's hot pink, darker shade of hot pink on borders with double ikat work on complete sari. So we have elephants, tigers, and many other animals on this. Just take a look at the complete sari clearly. Here is how the sari looks like. With pallu, and here is the blouse. So it's a darker shade of hot pink on blouse. Price for this is 14,500 is the actual price, and after discount you'll get this for 12,800. So we have got leaf green, lighter shade of leaf green with brinjal violet on borders. So it's deeper color of violet, darker than brinjal violet. And also on complete sari we have ikat patola work. Here is the pallu. So on pallu we have copper sulphate blue with a contrast blouse. Price for this is 14,500 is the actual price, and after discount the sari price is 12,800. So we have seen many yellows, but here comes another shade of yellow with red on borders. So we have yellow with pink, yellow with red, also yellow with green. So all the colors have come in this session. So on this we have grey colored print, ikat print with a decent zari shine on two sides of the border. Here's the complete look. with pallu and blouse. Price for this is 14,500 is the actual price, and after discount you'll get this saree for 12,800. So for each and every single saree shown in this session, we have a beautiful discount on that. So the discount is also very reasonable. After discount prices are also very budget friendly. Hope guys you are placing your orders soon as possible. Let's see the next one. So here comes the final piece and the last one and only last piece for this session, with black and red on borders. So we have peacocks, lions on this saree with red on borders. So there is a brighter shade of tomato red on two sides of the border for this saree, with pallu. And here's the blouse. So the actual price for the saree is 14,500 rupees, and after discount the saree price is 12,800. So here is the phone number. If you have liked any saree, you can just take a screenshot of that and share us on this WhatsApp number. Our team would love to help you and guide you in placing orders. So for online payment, here are the Google Pay contacts. So we are showing two different numbers. One is for contacting and other is for payment. So guys, don't get confused. And we do have international shipping throughout the globe. So all you need to do is hurry up and place your orders. And a very happy Janmashtami to all of you. That's it in this session. This is Wali signing off for the day, and see you all tomorrow at live 6 p.m. Bye bye.